Okay, so a few people have asked about the noise with this new generator, so I thought I would answer it with a video. So what I've got is, this is the generator. It's been sitting in my garage quite cold right now, so it might take a couple pulls to start, but I've got a 1500 watt heat gun on this, which is what I used to do its initial burn-in, the engine burn-in. So I've got that turned off right now. I'm gonna pull the inverter or the generator and get it going. And then I've got this going as well, which I can overlay on the video, and you can kind of see where it's at when I'm talking versus silent. Okay, so let's start it up. One pull. Okay, so that's no load, and I mean, you can hear me talking with it, and oh, it is in eco mode, so let's turn it off eco mode. All right, now let's put it under a load. All right, so there you go. That's the Champion 4650 peak watts, and it's 3650 continuous for our RPod 179. I think it'll suit us pretty well.